In this video, we are going to discuss three string methods: find, index, andrindex. Similarly, we also have rfind as another function, but we'll discuss these three: find, index, and rindex. Find searches the string for a specified value and returns the position of where it was found, location. Similarly, index, almost similar. Both will give same output. Index searches the string for a specified value and returns the position of where it was found. So we have two functions giving same result. And rindex searches the string for a specified value and returns the last position of where it was found. So we'll see what is the difference between normal index and rindex. Look at this example. This is my string s with value. This is Python is code. Again, for better understanding of these functions and output, I'm using this is Python is code. Don't go to the grammar side of this statement. Now, if I use print s dot find, and if I'm passing the value lowercase o, so find will search the string with a specified value, in this case lowercase o, and returns the position. So it will start from the start index, that is 0th index. I will see where lowercase o is present. Lowercase o is present first time at this location. So it will return this location. Now what is this location? This is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. This is 12th location. So output of first print is 12. Again, if I try to use index function with same argument or same value, lowercase o, it will give same value 12, because o's index, the first time o is present in the string, is at 12th location. So 12 is the index value. Now if I try to use rindex with lowercase o, now what is rindex? It searches the string for a specified value and returns the last position of where it was found. Last position, not the first. So starting from the first location, it will start finding for lowercase o, but because of rindex, even if it is finding lowercase o here, it will keep finding if another lowercase o is present. Yes, another lowercase o is present. It will keep finding till end of the string, and whatever is the last occurrence, that will be returned. That will be returned. That's why it is also called as right index. So index from right hand side. Index from right hand side, that is the last index, last time small o or lowercase o is present. So what is this location? This is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 has white space, 5, 6, 7 white space, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. That's why we have got 12 as output. 13, 14 is white space, 15, 16, 17, 18, and 19. So 19th location, o is present at 19th location. So this is my output. Similar to single characters, we can also use find, index, and rindex on group of characters. I want to check the location where is present as two characters, is. So first time is present at this location, 0, 1, 2. So it will return the value 2. Find and index, both will give value 2. And in case of rindex, when is present for the last time, this is the last occurrence. And if you go by location, it is 15th location. At 15th location, last time is present. You go for the last occurrence. Is present thrice, 3 times, but last time it is present at 15th location. So this is how we can use find, index, and rindex in Python.